Hello there and welcome. This guy decided to surf during a storm, but quickly realised that's not the best of ideas. Monstrous floods that recently ravaged Florida during Hurricane Ian. An airplane has a little bit of trouble trying to land in 70-mile-per-hour winds.
Oh my god.
Here is footage of a powerful storm that rapidly descended on a harbour in Massachusetts.
I hope this guy's got a good mooring.
This brave lady returned to her flooded home to save her beloved dogs during a hurricane. Thankfully, they all made it to safety. You wouldn't want to be swimming during this storm.
Look at the backwards. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my god. It's she. Oh no. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. Holy moly. Oh.
A ferry in Spain is tossed from side to side as it battles a perilous storm.
Eita porra, olha isso aqui, já derrubou uma árvore. Vixe Maria, vou fechar aqui. Eita porra, olha aqui cara, vento de 200 por hora. Bruna, vem ver!
This is the aftermath of a tropical storm that destroyed beachfront properties in North Carolina.
Pressing on 24247 Ocean Drive. It fell off.
This is how extreme the weather can get in Antarctica. This is what it's like being on a cruise ship during a storm.
Probably got the windows behind it. Wow! That's so freaky.
This helicopter has a hair-raising close call with Mother Nature. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day and I'll hopefully see you soon. Goodbye.